Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with today's English headlines. PM Imran to inaugurate country's first smart forest today. Prime Minister Imran Khan will inaugurate the country's first smart forest at Sheikhupura's Rakhjok forest today. Pakistan strongly condemns demolition of ancient Bilal Mosque in Haryana by Indian authorities. Pakistan will continue to urge community to hold India accountable for systematic human rights violations of minorities. Pakistan welcomes Saudi step to allow direct travel from Pakistan. Pakistan welcomed the decision of the Saudi Arabia government to allow direct travel from Pakistan to the kingdom. Recently, Saudi Arabia eased COVID-19 related restrictions for fully vaccinated expats, allowing them to enter the kingdom directly from countries with travel bans such as Pakistan. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi arrives in Tajikistan to discuss Afghanistan crisis. Sindh government imposes ban on carrying arms as street crimes decline. Chief Minister Sindh Syed Murad Ali Shah Wednesday directed to impose a complete ban on carrying weapons in the province after he was told during a law and order meeting that street crimes have seen a 30% decline in August. KP to have more Darul Amans, 8 shelter homes. The KP government has decided to establish 5 more Darul Aman women crisis centers and 8 shelter homes in the province. CDA to demolish encroachments in E11 sector. Special Assistant to Prime Minister Ali Nawaz Awan has said that E11 sector will be bulldozed to avoid any flood-like situation or any mishap in the future. Lahore Chief Minister Sardar Usman Busdar laid the foundation stone of the signal-free Chowk flyover project valuing rupees 4.23 billion to ease the movement of 1.25 lakh vehicles daily. The project will be completed in 10 months. Pakistan records highest daily coronavirus death toll in nearly 4 months. Pakistan reported another 141 coronavirus-related deaths, the highest number of fatalities recorded in one day since 161 deaths were recorded nearly 4 months ago on May 4th, according to official figure issued Wednesday morning. This is end of today's headline. Take care of yourself and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching CID News Network Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.